Hello, welcome back to our CimTrax video tutorial series. In this video we are going to talk about chemical management and what that means. In the admin feature there is an option for manage chemicals, and also we are going to talk about the chemicals you would choose on a treatment form that a service technician would enter in the field. So to get started, let's talk about the chemical drop down in the treatment form first. So to do that, let's just open up a treatment form and scroll down to chemicals. So you see if we add a chemical to the form, we have a drop down to select a chemical. Right now we have 4 generic chemicals listed in this drop down menu, and we would like to add, assuming that these are legitimate chemicals, which they're not, but let's assume they are, but we want to add another chemical. So how do we do that? Let's scroll up and go to admin, and we'll select data management and configure option lists, and let's find that field for that form. So we'll scroll down to treatment chemicals, and you can see we have the 4 chemicals listed. So let's go ahead and add another chemical here. So let's say it's all purpose ant repellent, and so we'll save that. And to see the change, let's go back to the treatment form and open up a new form here. We'll scroll down to chemicals, open that, and in the drop down menu you can see we have all purpose ant repellent is now a chemical choice, and so we would select all purpose ant repellent, and then of course our amounts. And if we needed to add another chemical, we use more than one chemical on the job, we would simply add a chemical, and we could select another chemical, or we can add as many as we like. So that's about it for chemical management on the form itself. So that's one thing you want to get set up right away when you register as a new user. And so now we'll go back to the admin and look at manage chemicals. And what this feature involves is if you have particular properties that require you to send them a copy of the MSDS sheet and label sheet for particular chemicals used on the property, you can add, this is more or less a database to add chemicals that you may use, and you can upload an MSDS sheet and a label sheet for those chemicals. So if you have a customer that wants to have those sent to them, you can come over here to the left and hit send under chemical and MSDS labels, and you would simply select which chemical you were using on the project and type in the customer's email and submit that to the customers. Now they would have a copy of the chemicals used on that project. And that is it for this tutorial as far as chemical management. So again, we have manage chemicals, which is the MSDS and label sheets to send to customers, and also data management to change the chemicals in the drop down menu on the treatment form itself. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us, and visit the support page for additional videos, and hope you enjoy using our program. Thank you.